YouTube, what it do? Today we're gonna be rebuilding the Vanderbilt Commodores in the college football revamp. They've been trash, so we're gonna put them to trash to prestige, and we're gonna do an episode each season. This season we have to recruit a top 25. We have to win more than 8 games. And we have to recruit a 4-star. What else do we have to do? And we have to beat our rival. And I have no idea who our rival is. But we're going to see. It's kind of like Arkansas or something. I already set up the recruiting board. This is what it's looking like. You know. But barely no one's. We only got people interested in us. He's not interested in us. But we'll see if we can get him. And we're gonna send him to regular season. We can only play 3 games, so I'm just gonna play the 3 most important games. And it's gonna be playing the rivalry game. So we're gonna. I gave us one of the hard. Got a few on the kick return. Got 3 extra yards, and if I would have need these jerseys, low-key looking clean. It's already shaking. No way. Come on, Mike. Wait, you gotta be calm, cool, and collective. And no. Oh my God! What is his arm strength? What is this? That was the weakest pass of all time. 60 strength? Yeah, but what's his arm strength? Where's his arm strength? I can't find it. Throwing power. Oh my. We might as well put AJ Swan in. Because we ain't getting nowhere with Mike Wright. Alright, AJ Swan is in. What is it? Alright. And now the receivers don't even know what to do. Yeah. Okay. This is going to be tough. Oh, and now the blockers don't know what to do either. Oh my God, what a catch from Jaden McGowan. Touchdown! Gavin Schrodenwald. Number 10. We take an early lead against Michigan. What will Michigan do again? We get a stop on defense. We have a chance. We actually have a chance. We actually have a chance to maybe pull off a miracle. It's easier said than done. Davis with a little 8-yard gain. Oh, he gets like no yards. That might be. He got 1 yard. Slow to get up. He's getting up though. He looks kind of drained out. Is your only running back something? He looks tired. I should have read that. I should have let that freaking linebacker. Alright, what play do we run? Tight end option. Vandy has a chance to score, to just convert a first down against this Michigan team. Finding, no! Johnson with an interception. AJ. Will Johnson throws the interception. Will Johnson catches the interception. And AJ Swansea throws it pig. And Michigan leading down the field. And they punt it. Vanderbilt has held Michigan to 35 yards. Vanderbilt. I can't believe I'm saying this. Circle, go up. Circle, play, make. I'm just have to throw it out. No, safety. I tried to throw it out. What? I'm actually selling. I'm for real selling. My homie Patterson. Oh, with a big hit. Look at my favorite. Coach Miller tried the fake punt, but it does not work. And Michigan finally roams down the field and scores. They're up by 2. 9-7. That's a unique score. And Alabama is on upset alert. It is tied up with Colorado State 10-10. Finding Ben wide open for the little 16-yard game. Playing it slow. Finding Ben again. For a 19-yard game that time. Threw it all fast because I was spamming the hype gun. Didn't mean to actually throw it. But it worked out. It worked out. Skinner Jr. Oh, if AJ would have just thrown it with a little bit more flick and a little bit more power with that 82 power, that would have been 6. And we will be celebrating right now, bro. But no, our quarterback is garbage. Straight buns. Finding circle, open. Oh, if he would have blocked, bro, that would have been tutty. But no, he doesn't want to block. Shoewald, number 10, is out there. Smith, the backup running back, gets a nice little 15-yard gain. That is 10 first downs for this Vandy offense. Cooking, absolute cooking against this Michigan defense. Davis is back out there. He is an impact player. He is needed on this Vanderbilt offense, and he gets hit for negative 3 yards. All that glazing just for a negative 3-yard play. Kyle's out there. Number 18. Let's see what this play has in store for the Vandy offense. Swan gonna keep it, and Swan is at the 1-yard line, almost scoring a tutty. Tried to dive in there and got stopped by like 4 Michigan jerseys. They really trying to get us. They want us to lose. No, they want us to lose. They want us to pass it on the 1-yard line. But we have Davis in the backfield. He is such an impact player. He is one of Vandy's most needed players. And Raheem Davis scores a touchdown, putting Vanderbilt up. And Michigan with the field goal. But, big but. Vanderbilt is still up in the 3rd quarter. This could be the match. A good match. Swan on the run. No one's open. It's almost intercepted. Thank God. I love you, Junior. Colson. Because that could have really hurt our chances right there. Oh, but where? Is this the dagger? No, I'm playing. Alright. 3rd and 10. A chance to convert a little good first down. Oh, it's an overthrow. Dang it. Now we have to put it away, and this time we're actually going to put it away, trust. And boom, a boomstick. 14-18. Vanderbilt is down for the first time in this game. Wait, no, it's not for the first time. Is it? 3. Oh my god! We better sell. We were up. We can't sell, chat. Oh, upset watch is over. Alabama destroyed Colorado State 45-10. No type of separation. No type of separation, chat. Number 12 are just locking down McGowan. Smith. Well, I don't know what. No, what number is he? I'm gonna guess he's triangle. I don't know. He was R1. Okay. Finding Ben for the first down. AJ Swan has passed for over 250 yards against this Michigan defense. Nobody expected this from this Vanderbilt team. This Vanderbilt team is showing heart. Carter, what are you doing? He drops it, which could have been about 12-yard gain. Is a 0-yard incomplete pass because Carter drops a pass. A dot. How did he get up? We're gonna go to replay mode. Oh, he wasn't even on the ground. My bad. That was just stupid of me, chat. 25-minute recording. It's gonna be a long video. Oh. Something. Body Jr. is wide open. 18-yard. Giving this Vanderbilt offense hype. Wait, why is Wright in? Why is Mike Wright back in the game? What happened? A mild concussion? That sack did absolutely nothing. And listen, why all our receivers suck because our best receiver's out with a broken tailbone. We gotta revert to Mike Wright. The terrible arm. Nah, he takes it himself for the first down and more. Mike Wright with a 17-yard rush had X wide open, but does not decide to pass it because he wants to. Fine, I'm gonna do my own thing. Anyway.
Everyone keeps telling me how my story is supposed to go. Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing.
Can I get some separation on the pass? And it's almost intercepted. Josh Wallace has dropped about 20 picks today. 3 minutes left on the clock. I'm in my drop top, cruising the street. passes it to Carter, and Carter gets her first down. Cameron Carter with a 13-yard reception. Triangle. Kyle. Touchdown. Vanderbilt Commodores. Why are we showing Scavelwood? Give Kyle his moment. Can we be up by a field goal? We're up by a field goal. Can the Vanderbilt defense play good defense? They've stopped Michigan. All we need is a stop. No way they run it. Alright, that's what I thought. Oh, they're going deep. It's almost an interception, but it's a stop. They're gonna go for it. They're not going. They think they can stop Vanderbilt in 2 minutes, and all Vanderbilt has to do is get away for them to waste their 3 timeouts, and then get a first down, take a knee in this game. Oh, but all the way back there. No, I couldn't. McGowan couldn't get no type of opening. All we gotta do is run. Just run. Just run. Don't fumble either. One second. Oh, no, it's not. The play clock is ahead. Alright, just take a knee right here. Call it wraps. Call it wraps. Maybe even one more knee. Just for good measure. No, we won't have the time. And Vanderbilt pulled off the upset. Vanderbilt has done what nobody thought we could do. Nobody. We beat a top 5 team. We beat a top 5 team. We beat the number 1 team. I should add. Did this game just crash, chat? I was gonna say. We beat the number 1 seed. And that's crazy. I'm level 2. Does he want to? The game always crashes after a sim, so.